Organic farming is a production system which avoids or largely excludes the use of synthetically compounded fertilizers, pesticides, growth regulators, genetically modified organisms, and livestock food additives. Now let's listen to a farmer who has been doing organic farming since 4 years.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है सत्यम काग और मैं ग्राम पाडलिया का निवासी हूँ। मैं पिछले 4 सालों से जैविक खेती कर रहा हूँ। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कि जो पीछे सोयाबीन जो दिख रहे हैं ये जैविक खेती के हैं। इसमें कुछ भी दवाई और कुछ भी नहीं डालेगा। इसमें अगर दवाई वगैरह डालने से हमारा जो लीवर हो गया और सब चीज़ों पर हार्ट के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट होता है। कैंसर का सबसे बड़ा कारण है रासायनिक खाद और रासायनिक दवाइयाँ। और जैविक खेती में बिल्कुल उसमें प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट्स और ये वो सब प्रॉपर मिलते हैं अपने को। तो जैविक खेती सबसे बेस्ट खेती है। और जो इसमें जो वर्मी कंपोस्ट और गौमूत्र और गोबर खाद ये सब चीज़ें ज़मीन में डालने से ज़मीन की जो सॉइल फर्टिलिटी है वो व्यवस्थित मतलब प्रॉपर रहती है। और जो गौमूत्र है उससे नाइट्रोजन की मात्रा मिलती पौधे को, तो वो प्रॉपर चलता है। और जैविक खेती से हमें कोई भी बीमारी नहीं होती। जैविक खेती सबसे बेस्ट खेती है।
Today we are going to take interview of Varsha Sisodia ma'am for organic farming. She is guiding students from 5 years for organic farming. So here we are having some questions related to organic farming. So ma'am, first question, what is organic farming?
Organic farming are the farming techniques that use least of chemical fertilizers, chemical pesticides, insecticides, least use of chemicals when we go for organic farming. That means to say that it helps in development of organisms without chemicals.
Yes. So ma'am, according to you, what are the advantages of it?
This basically increases the longevity of the soil. Like if you go on using a lot of chemicals with soil, day by day the quality of soil will go on degrading, and finally one fine day the soil will completely turn barren. So no productivity.
Ma'am, and why this organic farming is also called bio farming?
Organic, bio, everything means life. And anything that supports life is organic or bio.
Ma'am, the next question is that what are advantages and disadvantages of organic farming?
See, organic farming ka one of the most important advantage is that it creates elongates the life of the your agricultural field. Your agricultural field will be able to produce for a longer period of time persistently. But of course there is a disadvantage that the total productivity might be decreased. Like with chemical fertilizers and chemicals we get better products, but the quantity of product is better, but the quality might not be similar to organic farming. So quality but quantity also matters. So quantity is decreased in case of organic farming. This is one of the disadvantages of organic farming, but then for consistency we need to manage with that.